The ocean is always moving. Its vast expanse is in a constant state of flux, driven by various forces of nature. The moon's gravity pulls on the Earth, causing tides. This gravitational dance between the Earth and the moon creates a rhythmic rise and fall of sea levels. Tides are like giant waves that rise and fall twice a day. These tidal movements are predictable and have been occurring for millions of years. They hold a lot of energy. The immense power contained within these tides can be harnessed for human use. This energy can be harnessed to generate electricity, providing a clean and sustainable power source for the future. Tidal power plants and turbines are designed to capture this energy efficiently. This is called tidal energy. It is a form of hydropower that converts the energy obtained from tides into useful forms of power, mainly electricity. It is a renewable source of energy, meaning it will not run out like fossil fuels. Unlike other energy sources, tidal energy is predictable and reliable. There are two main ways to capture the power of the tides: tidal barrages and tidal stream generators. Each method has its own unique advantages and applications. Tidal barrages are dams built across estuaries or bays. As the tide rises, water flows into the basin behind the barrage. When the tide falls, the water trapped behind the barrage is released through turbines. The turbines spin, generating electricity. However, tidal barrages have some drawbacks. They are expensive to build and can disrupt marine ecosystems. The large structures can block the movement of marine animals and alter the flow of sediments. Tidal stream generators are like underwater windmills, harnessing the power of the ocean's natural movements. They are strategically placed in areas with strong tidal currents, where the water's kinetic energy is most potent. The turbines have blades that rotate as water flows past them, converting the ocean's energy into mechanical power. This rotation powers a generator that produces electricity, which can then be used to supply power to homes and businesses. Tidal stream generators are less environmentally disruptive than barrages, as they do not require large dams or barriers. They do not block the movement of marine life and have a smaller footprint, making them a more sustainable option. However, they may pose risks to large marine animals if not properly designed and sited, necessitating careful planning and monitoring. The Reims tidal power station in France is an example of a successful tidal barrage system. Located on the estuary of the Reims River in Brittany, it harnesses the power of the tides to generate electricity. This pioneering project has set a benchmark for tidal energy production worldwide. It was built in 1966 and has been generating electricity for over 50 years. The construction of the Reims tidal power station was a monumental engineering feat of its time, involving innovative techniques and a dedicated workforce. The plant provides power to 225,000 homes. This reliable source of energy has been crucial in reducing the region's dependence on fossil fuels and lowering carbon emissions. While the Reims barrage has been successful, its environmental impact is a subject of ongoing study. The interaction between the tidal barrage and the local ecosystem is complex and requires careful monitoring. Scientists are monitoring the movement of sediments and the populations of fish and other marine life in the estuary. These studies help in understanding the long-term effects of tidal power on marine biodiversity. These observations provide valuable lessons for future tidal energy projects. By learning from the Reims experience, we can design more efficient and environmentally friendly tidal power systems. Tidal energy has the potential to be a significant source of clean and sustainable electricity. It is a renewable resource that, unlike solar and wind, is highly predictable and consistent. Governments and researchers need to continue exploring and investing in this important renewable energy source. Collaboration between public and private sectors is essential to advance tidal energy technology. By harnessing the power of the tides, we can create a cleaner and more sustainable future. The potential benefits for our environment and energy security are immense, making tidal power a key player in the transition to renewable energy.